Transferring your Google Play balance to a bank account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, ensure you have a Google Play account with a balance and a linked bank account or a payment method that supports transfers. First, open the Google Play Store app on your device and navigate to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. From the menu, select Account and then tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Next, select Google Play Balance and then tap on Cash Out. On the Cash Out page, you will see the available balance and the option to transfer it to a bank account or other payment methods. Select the bank account option and choose the account you want to transfer the funds to. If you have not already linked a bank account, you will be prompted to do so. To link a bank account, you will need to provide the account details, including the account number and routing number. This information can be found on a check or by contacting your bank. Once you have entered the account details, review the information to ensure it is accurate and then confirm. After confirming the account details, you will be asked to verify your identity. This is a security measure to protect your account and prevent unauthorized transactions. You may be asked to provide identification, such as a driver's license or passport, and answer security questions. Once your identity has been verified, the transfer process will begin. The time it takes for the funds to appear in your bank account may vary depending on your location and the payment method used. In most cases, the transfer is completed within a few business days. It is essential to note that there may be fees associated with transferring your Google Play balance to a bank account. These fees can vary depending on the payment method and your location. It is crucial to review the fees before initiating the transfer to avoid any unexpected charges. In conclusion, transferring your Google Play balance to a bank account is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and being aware of the potential fees, you can easily transfer your balance and use the funds as needed. Remember to always review the terms and conditions and ensure you have a linked bank account or payment method that supports transfers to avoid any issues with the transfer process.